Dialogue 7. My friend fainted on the street.
My friend suddenly fainted on the street today.
Stay calm. We will help him immediately.
He fell so fast, I got really scared.
Is he breathing normally right now?
Yes, but his breathing is very weak.
Lay him gently on his back now.
Okay, he is lying on the ground.
Lift his legs a little to help circulation.
His face looks very pale and cold.
That's okay. It happens when people faint.
People around us are starting to panic.
Tell them everything is under control.
Should I give him some water immediately?
No, only if he wakes up completely.
His eyes are still closed for now.
Talk softly. It might help him wake.
Hey, buddy, you're safe. We're here.
Good. Keep your voice calm and steady.
His fingers are moving a little now.
That means he is slowly regaining consciousness.
I think he's waking up very slowly.
Help support his head if he moves.
He opened his eyes for a second.
Ask him if he feels dizzy right now.
He says everything is spinning around him.
Keep him lying down until he feels better.
Do you think this is something serious?
It could be dehydration or simple exhaustion.
He didn't drink water all morning.
That might explain why he fainted today.
Should we call an ambulance anyway?
Yes, it's safer to call emergency services.
I'm calling emergency right now.
Tell them exactly what happened here.
Hello, my friend. Fainted suddenly.
Is he conscious and breathing now?
Yes, but he is still very weak.
Keep him lying still and calm.
We are staying right beside him.
Help is on the way already.
He's trying to sit up a little.
Tell him to stay down for now.
He says he wants to stand up.
Say no, he might fall again quickly.
Okay. I told him to stay down.
Good. He needs more time to recover.
He looks embarrassed about fainting here.
Reassure him, fainting can happen to anyone.
You're okay, buddy. Don't worry.
Good. He needs positive words right now.
I hear the ambulance arriving already.
Wave your hand so they see us quickly.
What happened to your friend?
He fainted suddenly and looked very pale.
How long was he unconscious?
About 1 or 2 minutes maximum.
Did he hit his head when falling?
No, I caught him before he hit the ground.
That's very good. You reacted quickly.
I was really frightened, honestly.
We will check his heart rate now.
He looks more awake than before.
His pulse is a bit low but stable.
Is he going to be completely okay?
Yes, he probably needs rest and water.
Should we take him to the hospital?
Small checkup would be better today.
Yes, let's make sure everything is fine.
Can he stand with our help now?
Yes, but hold him very carefully.
Lean on us, buddy. We've got you.
Take small steps, don't rush yourself.
He's standing, but still looks weak.
We'll support him to the ambulance.
Thank you for coming so fast.
You both managed the situation very well.
I hope he recovers quickly today.
He will. He's already looking better now.
Let's take him for a quick checkup.
Yes, thank you. We really appreciate your help.
Dialogue 8. Baby locked in the car.
My baby is locked inside the car. Please help me.
Stay calm. We will handle the situation together.
The door closed suddenly when I turned around.
Is the baby crying or breathing normally?
Yes, he's crying loudly, but breathing fine.
Good. Keep talking to him through the window.
He looks scared and very uncomfortable already.
Try to keep your voice soft and reassuring.
Should I break the window right now?
Wait, let's call emergency services first.
Okay, I'm dialing them immediately.
Tell them everything clearly and quickly.
Hello, my baby is trapped inside the car.
Stay calm. Help is coming right away.
The sun is very strong this afternoon.
Move to the shade if possible now.
I can't move the car. It's locked.
Stand beside the window and comfort him.
He keeps stretching his arms toward me.
Keep talking. It helps him feel safer.
I feel terrible. I should be more careful.
Don't blame yourself. Accidents happen fast.
The baby is sweating a little already.
Shade him with your jacket or shirt.
I'm holding my jacket above the window.
Good. It will reduce the strong sunlight.
How long will the rescue team take?
Usually they arrive in a few minutes.
The baby is calming down a little now.
That's because he hears your voice.
I hope the car temperature doesn't rise too fast.
We must stay alert and act quickly.
Do you think he's in serious danger?
He's safe for now, but we can't wait long.
I see the rescue van approaching us.
Great! Wave your hand so they see you.
Where is the baby trapped exactly?
Inside the back seat, right there.
Don't worry, we handle this every day.
Please open it as fast as possible.
I'll use a special tool for the door.
Thank you. I'm extremely worried.
The car is locked very tightly today.
Can you open it quickly anyway?
Yes, just give me a few seconds.
My baby is crying again. Please hurry.
I'm sliding the tool inside the door now.
You're doing great. Keep going.
The mechanism is starting to loosen.
Oh, please, let it open right now.
I almost got it. Stay patient.
Hold the mother's hand. She's very stressed.
I'm shaking. I can't control myself anymore.
Breathe slowly. Your baby will be fine.
The door is unlocked. Open it gently.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Come here, baby. Mommy is right here.
He looks okay, just a little scared.
Check if the baby is breathing normally.
Yes, he's breathing and holding my shirt.
Give him a little water if possible.
I have a small bottle inside my bag.
Sit down for a moment. You look exhausted.
I feel weak, but I'm so relieved now.
Accidents like this happen very quickly.
I'm still ashamed. I should be careful.
Don't worry, you reacted immediately.
Thank you for staying with me the whole time.
Next time, always keep your keys visible.
I will. I learned a big lesson today.
The important thing is that your baby is safe.
Yes, that's all that matters right now.
Do you need medical assistance?
No, he seems completely fine now.
Maybe go home and let him rest.
Yes, that's a good idea for both of us.
Call us anytime if something like this happens again.
I hope it never happens again, honestly.
Take care and drive safely home.
Thank you both. You saved my baby today.
Dialogue 9. Allergic reaction at a restaurant.
Wait, I think I'm having an allergic reaction.
Stay calm. What did you eat exactly?
I ate the shrimp pasta. Now my lips are swollen.
Don't worry, we will act quickly.
My throat feels tight. I'm scared.
Sit down, stay calm, breathe slowly.
Should we call a doctor immediately?
Yes, let's call the emergency services now.
Hello, my friend is having a severe allergic reaction.
Are they conscious and breathing right now?
Yes, but the throat is tight, lips swollen.
Do you have any allergy medicine or EpiPen?
Yes, I have an EpiPen with me.
Good. Use it immediately. Follow instructions carefully.
Okay? I will inject it now.
Hold her hand, it will help calm down.
It's done. I administered the EpiPen.
Good, now wait a few minutes.
She looks slightly better already.
That's because the medicine starts working fast.
Should we give water now?
Only small sips if she can swallow.
She drank a little. I'm monitoring closely.
Keep checking breathing and lips carefully.
The restaurant staff is gathering around us.
Ignore them. Focus on your friend.
They are calling for a paramedic quickly.
That's perfect. Help is almost here.
What happened here?
She ate shrimp, lips swollen, throat tight.
Did you use the EpiPen already?
Yes, I just administered it.
Good. We'll check vitals now.
How is she doing? Will she be okay?
Yes, the EpiPen is effective. She is stabilizing.
Thank goodness, I was very worried.
Still, we should go to the hospital.
Yes, let's make sure she is fully safe.
I'm holding her hand. She feels weak.
That's okay. We'll carry her carefully.
I can't believe it happened so fast.
Allergic reactions can be very sudden.
I feel terrible for not checking the menu.
Don't blame yourself. Accidents can happen to anyone.
Can she sit in the ambulance safely?
Yes, she's ready to go.
Keep talking to her. Reassure her calmly.
Hey, it's okay. You're going to be fine.
We'll monitor her closely during transport.
I feel much better knowing she's safe.
The staff is removing potential allergens from the table.
That's thoughtful. Thank you for helping.
Ready to leave now?
Yes, thank you for arriving quickly.
Her lips look less swollen already.
Yes, I see improvement slowly.
We'll check heart rate and oxygen now.
I'm glad the epinephrine pen worked.
Remember, always carry your allergy medicine.
I will. I learned a huge lesson today.
Hospital is close. We'll arrive in 10 minutes.
That's quick. She'll be monitored soon.
Don't worry, she is in professional hands.
I feel much calmer already.
Any known allergies before this incident?
Yes, she's allergic to shellfish.
Good. We'll update the hospital for faster treatment.
Excellent. Every second counts.
I feel guilty but relieved at the same time.
Focus on her recovery. That's what matters.
She's stable, but observation is necessary.
Okay, we'll stay with her at the hospital.
I'm proud you acted so fast.
Thanks, I was scared, but I tried.
Always remember, early action saves lives.
Yes, today is proof of that.
I hope she feels completely better soon.
She will. The medicine works well.
We're almost at the hospital now.
Thank you for your fast response and help.